Hello, Professor Maduri. This is Petra Malik, and this is lab 4, so I'll be showing both, again, the simulation portion and the onboard testing once again. So I'll start with the simulation first. So first we've got to switch it to simulation mode. So go debug, simulator, so okay, and then we can build the project. So that's that. And then afterwards we can just simply click on debug, and then we need to open up the Texas Port F and then click grade, and then we should get a score of 100. So there we go. Okay, so we did that. And then just briefly to tell you what code I changed to make it work. So line 59, so I set it if S1 is equal to 0 and ended operation, with SW, if it's also equal to 0, then we're able to set the LED to blue. And then also there's a problem with 62 and 65. So I simply just ended up swapping the two lines of code, and because before 62, what it had was when you pressed SW1, it gave you LED color of green, and for 65, when you pressed SW2, it gave you a color of red. And so I flipped them, and now they're correct. Right. So now to do the onboard testing real quick, so we go. Got to change. Got to get out of debug mode. And change this to Stellaris ICDI. And then we just build once again. Okay. Then we got to load it into the actual board. Then we click on this to debug. And then we click on run. Right, so let me actually just move this up a little bit. So these are the two values, so the hex values. So this is the board here. So currently it's off since both the LEDs are not being pressed. So when SW1 is pressed, we get red. And then when SW2 is pressed, we get green. And then when both are pressed, just gotta make sure they don't flip the board, so we get blue. And that's basically it.